Hi, good afternoon. Today I will talk about ancient Egypt. In the location, ancient Egypt settled in the northeast of the African continent, bordered to the east by the Red Sea and to the north by the Mediterranean Sea. The Egyptians called this land Kemet. The characteristics. The Egyptian civilization reached a great development in the science, art, religion, and commerce. The government was under the command of the king or pharaoh. The pharaohs were human figures appointed by the gods themselves, and the Egyptians regarded music as a science and as such required study. In the population, the society was hierarchical in the three levels. 1. Pharaoh. Depository of divine rights, all powers were attributed to him, thus Horus. 2. High officials, high priests and scribes. And 3. People, peasants, artisans, slaves, and among others. In the architecture, they had a complex system of corridors and chambers where they finally locate the mummified body along with numerous belongings, food, drink, and valuables that could be useful to the soul in another life. Agriculture was linked to the rise of the Nile and the silt deposit on the ground, turning it into a green and fertile blanket. They grew mainly cereals, barley, wheat, legumes and vegetables, leeks, onions, garlic, cucumbers, radishes, and beans. And fruits, melons, grapes, dates, and figs. Customs and traditions. The Egyptians were known for making two-dimensional paintings in which the human eyes were on the size of the head. They painted everyday life along with important events and wars. In the traditions, according to the fact that they were polytheistic, the most important god was Amun-Ra, god of the sun, followed by Osiris, god of the dead. The soul. The ancient Egyptians believed that the soul, called Ka, was immortal and could not exist without its body. That is why they performed important rituals and prepared the remains for death, from the constructions of tombs, mummifications, and funeral ceremonies, with the delivery of offerings in order to protect the body and soul for the future life. The religion of ancient Egypt was a polytheistic religion. They worshipped many gods and sometimes believed that the pharaohs were chosen by gods or were gods themselves. They also worshipped the river Nile, which provided them with the means to survive. When the pharaohs died, they were mummified to preserve their bodies for the afterlife. Flora and fauna. We have mammals, cows, sheep, goats, pigs, antelopes, and the birds, pigeons, dogs, geese, and others were wild hippos, crocodiles, lions, jackals, and hyenas. Among the flowers, the most famous are the lotus flower and the papyrus flower. The best known three are the date palm and the blue water lily, which are also the most abundant around the river Nile. This is all from me. Thank you.